Today, we're pleased to introduce two advanced welding machines, the MIG350I and MIG500I. Designed to meet evolving welding demands, these machines deliver robust power outputs of 350 amps and 500 amps. The MIG350I and MIG500I welding machines are designed as conventional tools, featuring a 20 kg wire feeder and optional water cooling system to enhance overall performance and efficiency. These units have a digital display for easy access and operation. This machine supports MIG, flux cord, and MMA welding, offering versatility for different applications, with 2T and 4T options. As you proceed, the machine conducts gas and wire checks, ensuring a streamlined welding experience. This proactive quality control enhances user confidence and overall efficiency. A standard feature is the 20 kg capacity external wire feeder with a 4-roll mechanism, ensuring both substantial capacity and a stable, reliable wire feeding process. Now, let's witness the performance under different modes. For a closer look at MIG welding, we tested the machines with an 8mm carbon steel sheet. This scenario showcases precision and efficiency in real-world applications. Testing with a 10mm sheet assesses adaptability and effectiveness across different thicknesses, ensuring the machines meet various welding challenges. For outdoor projects, both the MIG350I and MIG500I offer flux cord wire welding under MIG mode, enhancing versatility for diverse applications, even in outdoor settings. Finally, we showcase MMA welding. Testing ensures seamless performance, demonstrating reliability and precision. Stay tuned for how these machines excel across techniques and applications. When you buy the MIG350I or MIG500I, get an optional convenient welder cart for easy transport of the machine, wire feeder, and water cooling system, portability wherever you need it. MIG350I and MIG500I are versatile tools for mining, car manufacturing, and various industries. Elevate your capabilities with these advanced units.